Hello musicians, today we're going to oil a valve. So you need to know a lot of things, like first of all, which way to face your instrument. We have the mouthpiece that goes in on this end, and we have the bell over here on this end. So make sure the bell's on your right, and then the mouthpiece is on your left. Okay, left right over here, right over here. The valve numbers go like this, 1, 2, and 3. They're always that way. And when we loosen it, most trumpets loosen lefty-loosey, so we're going this direction, it's going to be left. Make sure that you are doing this part and not the top part. If this part is loose, make sure you turn that back right so it's nice and tight, and then turn just this part left. Okay, as we have done it, as you can see here, now my valve now comes out. Now it's really important to make sure to not take it completely out just because you don't want to get it incorrect. This number 1 has to go in valve number 1. It can't go in 2 or 3. Okay, so as you pull it out, you're going to take your valve oil and you're just going to put a little dab right about here or so, and then maybe up here, wherever you see silver. Turn it around and then do here and here. Now the next thing you're going to want to know how to do is to make sure to put it back correctly. And the way to do that, I'm going to actually take this out. I told you not to do, but you can look at this in your actual, on your valve, is that usually there's a number right here, and this one says 1 because it's valve number 1. So make sure that that is facing towards where your mouthpiece is, which is going to be over here someplace, okay? So I have that number 1, which is right here. I'm pointing to it right now. I'm touching it. You can't see it. I'm going to put it down. And I've put my valve oil on it, and before I close it, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of get it one of those, and you're going to hear a little squish, like a little squish, 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 squish. Right now it's a little dry because I didn't actually put any valve oil on it. I'm going to turn it, I'm going to tighten it, and before I completely tighten it, right now it's a little loose right here, I'm going to turn it just a little bit and make sure that the top doesn't go anywhere. If I turn it left and it, it still doesn't stay loose, then I'm good to go. I'm going to go ahead and complete this, and it should be good. The test is to blow into this pipe right here via the mouthpiece and hold down the valve while you're blowing into it. If the air just goes into it, now don't buzz into it, just blow air, just like whoo, like wind. And if you hold this valve down and you blow the air through it, if you put it back correctly, the air should go through without any problem. If you try and blow into it with this valve down and it stops, and the air doesn't go anywhere, like you can't push it in no matter how hard you try, it means you put it in incorrectly, or maybe you accidentally switched them around. Okay, so that's how you oil a valve. Hope you found this useful. Thanks.